Alright guys, so we finally finished our automatic DOA SR. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to use it. So just go ahead and go to your trading view, go to your charts, then to add it is the same way how you added your DOA sniper. Just go to your indicators, my device scripts only, then go to your DOA SR. So DOA SR is an automatic support and resistance, and we added some confluence here. So confluence is pretty much two lines closer to each other. That means it's a strong resistance, it's a strong support. So if you bounce above that, you'll see a strong bounce. As you can see that we bounce. If you don't break it, we'll see a strong drop. You see we touch here, we drop, we touch here, we drop, touch here, we drop. So it's an additional confirmation, like I mentioned in the video, the DOA program. Like I use a DOA sniper, then I check support and resistance level, then I check the trend channels. So let's go ahead and pull out that sniper. Let's say you have the sniper set in 4 hours and you get alerted here. So let's do a replay real quick. Alright, so let's say the market, or we did the replay. Let's say the market's moving. That's 15. Alright. Alright, so this US30, 4 hours. So we got alerted, let's say you have it alerted in 4 hours. Then it started alarming you, giving you notification that green DOA is firing. So you need to check the next level, the support and resistance. So once you pull it up, once you have the DOA SR set up, you can see that we created a confluence here, DOA confluence. So that's a good confirmation that we're going for a reversal, that we're bouncing. So let's go back one more time. Let's see how the DOA SR was created. Alright, this is created there already. Let's go back one more time. Alright, so this one's already created. We'll do another example. Anyway, this is green DOA. It's going up. Your next target would be 33.45. That's where the confluence at now. So we do a take profit there. Let's do this. But you gotta make sure they close above the resistance to make sure that it's gonna go up. This would be you can use this for stop loss, this area. Not exactly in the line because you might go down a little bit and make a rejection week. So this 105 pips. Boom. We just hit it. That's about 1 day. Within 1 day, you would have made 105 pips if you're trading forex. But in stocks, that means we had a green day. Alright, so like I said, look for the green DOA, support and resistance, and let me show you the trend channel too. So you know, trend is your friend. So make sure that you're in the right trend. If it's going up, only look for buys or calls. If it's going down, only look for sell or puts. It's pretty much right there. That's a good one. Alright, as you can see, US30 squeezing right now. So pretty much we're gonna reject here. Since we have a confluence here, we're not breaking it. See, we got rejected once, twice already. We're rejecting. We touched the higher highs. If we rejected there, we're gonna go down. See, boom. We rejected. We dropped here. We pretty much caught this Friday. Anyway, if you guys don't know how to set up the DOA sniper, I mean, it's in the DOA program. You just pretty much go on alerts. Let's say you want to do a scalping, you want to do 15-minute time frame. Go 15 minutes, set your alert in 15 minutes. Then every time it fires the arrow, every time the arrow fires in 15 minutes, it should alert you. So right now, okay, so this is Friday, December 18th. So we bounce here, so you can see we're still respecting the rising wedge. So we're still trying to break this confluence here, and as you can see, we rejected twice already. So for tomorrow, so we have a support here. So it's not 100%, so sometimes you need to draw it manually. You know, you get used to it. So that's a support. You can see we held here. That's a pretty good support. If you don't break, if you don't hold above this area, we'll see it touch the higher lows again. But if we started breaking out here, we're gonna see US30 back to 29,880. So it's pretty much, like I said, it's a rising wedge. So that's, where's that? It's pretty much gonna go down here. It's either gonna go straight down to that confluence, or it's gonna go, you might break out here, go down like that, retrace here, and go all the way back down. If it breaks out below here, it's definitely gonna go down. So that means it's respecting the rising wedge. I did an analysis here, and as you can see, we broke down. Yeah, here we broke down. I mean, not broke down. We're still respecting the rising wedge. So that's it, guys. That's how you use the DOA SR. So just let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.